Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headlines. Private Matters Times of India. The other right to private upheld the Economic Times. Now headlines in detail. Private Matters The Times of India. SC ruling on government accusation of poverty properties is right and a reflection of how economic policy have changed. Times of India editorials. Supreme Court rulings yesterday on Article 39 we clarified not all private property can be classified as material resource of the community that the state can redistribute for the common good. The Constitution Article 39b mandates that the state shall direct its policy towards securing that ownership and control of material resources of the community are so distributed as best to subserve the common good. The question before SC was whether private property can be considered part of the material resource of the community. Limiting state intervention. CJI Chandra-led Constitution Bench underscored in their 7-2 judgment that while some privately held resources could potentially fall under the category, each case requires careful assessment given context and on case-to-case basis. Only those resources of significant impact to community welfare that have unique characteristics or are scarce and needed for community well-being may be considered under this provision. Potential for judicial oversight. The judgment straightway increase scope of judicial oversight in cases involving resource redistribution of government's accusations. Its expert intense scrutiny of states' claims for infra project. For example, question will be asked on whether accusations genuinely serve public welfare on the consequence of such resource being concentrated in the hands of private commercial player and on whether they meet criteria outlined by this judgment. Private property remains constitutionally protected unless it meets strict criteria of public interest, judicial support for market-driven policy. The judgment is not unexpected, although its discussion outside the courtroom had taken on a tangible political life all its own ahead of Lok Sabha elections. Misinformation that swirled around the issue with a fistful of salt that said it was an unusual day in court. It is rare to find ideologies discussed in Supreme Court judgment with salty remarks on earlier judges. In their dissent, two of the 9 judges strenuously countered the comments against certain political ideology. Justice Dhulia, who wholly disdained the judgment, backed the inclusive meaning given to material resource of community and held that given growing inequality in income and wealth, it would not be prudent of abandon principles on which Articles 38 and 39 are based. In some, what SC has ruled its interpretation of constitutional provision can vary with shift in economic policies, keeping intact the basic structure doctrine that is how it is expected to be. The other right to privacy upheld. The Economic Times link nature of resource to ownership. On Tuesday, a 9-judge bench of the Supreme Court delivered a divided 8 by 1 interpretation that all private property can't be included in material resource of the community. 5 for the state of operation equitable for the greater common good. The interpretation was overdue and is broadly in line with India's development trajectory that relies on market forces to redistribute resources. As the dissenting view point out, the reliance does not address rising inequality at the state should not unduly lose agency through a narrow reading of what constitutes material resource of the community as stated in Article 39B of the Constitution. The verdict by a bench of this size overturns the legal position derived through a monetary judgment several decades earlier that included all private property in the definition of community resources. In this is welcome, but it leaves open the interpretation what kind of private property is built private. The bench had at the outset restrict itself to examining the question of community resources and not the constitutional immunity granted to the state in promoting public welfare. The judgment thus sets out the limit on resources the state can claim in its endeavor. To this extent, it serves as a check on creeping expansion of eminent domain. Subsequent legal interpretation will have to strengthen the contract between state and its citizen over property rights. The state does not face any restriction in this ruling over the definition of control, another term left vague in the constitution, which keeps alive the question of redistributing resources between community and individuals. This too is welcome. This too is welcome in that it allows the state room of maneuver by linking the nature of a resource to its ownership. The reading pushes the issue to a granular level while permitting a dynamic relationship between community and material resource. In this, it serves to build a deeper moat around private ownership, keeping Adam Smith's properly hand invisible. Thank you.